wants to go swimming! Yeah!
What's the matter, Nathan? Well, it's just that I don't know how to swim.
Don't worry, we could teach you.
Yeah, let's go! If you want to learn how to swim, 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 then before you dive right in, you gotta listen up and learn the rules. Welcome to our swimming school. Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! Wow, I can't wait to be able to swim just like you guys!
Whoa, hold up, Nathan. First, you gotta be sure you're safe. Put your armbands on. They can help you float along, long. Float around the pool, all about the place. And best of all, you will be safe.
Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! Now you're ready to go. Remember to take it slow. Start to kick your little feet. Soon you'll see that swimming's neat. Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! This is so much fun! What's next?
Now you need to move your arms. You'll be swimming in no time. Move your arms like you wanna fly. Like a birdie in the sky. Soon you'll find you're moving along as we sing our swimming song.
Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! I could swim just like a fish, but I only have one wish. I wish this never had to end. Swimming's the best with your friends. Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! Welcome to the doctor's office. How can we help you today? Oh, visiting the doctor makes me nervous. Well, if you're really good, we might just give you a treat at the end of your appointment. Yep.
Here goes.
I have an owie on my knee. It happened when I climbed a tree. I should have listened to my dad. Now I'm feeling oh so bad.
play a game of I Spy!
What's that?
Oh, it's a super fun game! We'll show you!
Yeah, I'll go first. Watch and learn. I spy, I spy, I spy with my little eye. I spy, something beginning with B. Something beginning with B. Something beginning with B.
B. Let me think. Is it something that you drink? Look above, look below. Maybe something that you throw? I know! B is for ball!
B-A-L-L. B is for ball, y'all. That's right, Nico. You guessed right. Your turn.
Okay! I spy, I spy, I spy with my little eye. I spy, something beginning with W.
Something beginning with W. Something beginning with W. W. Let's see.
Could be anything around me.
Look to the left, look to the right.
Look at everything in sight.
I know. W is for waves. W-A-V-E-S. W is for waves, yes. That was fun. Hey, Carol, now that you know how to play, give it a shot. Okay, here it goes. I spy, I spy, I spy with my little eye. I spy, something beginning with S. Something beginning with S. Something beginning with S.
S.
Let me guess. I will win this round. Oh, yes.
Look over there, look over here. Could be far or could be near. I know!
S is for sand. S-A-N-D. S for sand under your feet. Ooh, I got one more. And you guys are gonna love this one. I spy, I spy with my little eye. I spy, something beginning with I. Something beginning with I. Something beginning with I. I. My oh my, is it something in the sky? Look to the north, look to the south. Something that goes in your mouth?
I know!
I is for ice cream. You scream ice cream. We all scream for ice cream. Let's go get some.
Hey kids, who wants ice cream?
Me. Aren't you forgetting something, Nathan? The magic words. Please and thank you. Oops. Please and thank you. Say it if you know what's right. Please and thank you. Say it and you'll be polite. My mom baked me a birthday cake. Took her all afternoon to bake. Before I took a piece, I gave her a hug.
use the bathroom right away. So I raised my hand for the teacher to see and said my favorite words.
Please and thank you. Say it if you know what's right. Please and thank you. Say it and you'll be polite. Please and thank you. Please and thank you.
Break time is over, kids!
Playing outside was so much fun today.
Hang on, guys. Before we go back to class, it's very important to wash our hands.
But why?
Let me tell you. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash away the dirt. Always keep them nice and clean. Washing up is smart. When we play outside in the open air, we must not forget germs are everywhere. We can't always see them. They like to hide. That's why we wash when we come inside. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash away the dirt. Always keep them nice and clean. Washing up is smart. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. When we pick up trash off the dirty floor, we must wash our hands and wash them some more.
When we are done in the bathroom, we must not forget to sing this special tune.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash away the dirt. Always keep them nice and clean. Washing up is smart. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. Bye, teacher. Thank you. Bye-bye. Remember, keep washing your hands. Hey, kids. Supper will be ready soon. Don't forget to wash up. When you walk from school or even take the bus, please don't forget germs are all around us. They can make us sick if we don't take care. Those yucky little germs can be everywhere. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash away the dirt. Always keep them nice and clean. Washing up is smart. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. If we had lots of fun petting the dog, remember that he might be dirty from his walk.
If we use our hands to make arts and crafts before we eat dinner, we better wash up fast.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash away the dirt. Always keep them nice and clean. Washing up is smart. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. Soap, water, bubbles, rinse. Dinner's up, kids. Great, I'm starving. And our hands have never been cleaner.
Thanks for taking us on a day trip, teacher.
Where are we going today, miss? Well, that depends. Remember what we learned in class about saying yes to new and exciting ideas?
Oh yeah!
Well, would you like to learn to dance?
Yes, yes, yes.
Would you like to visit France?
Yes, yes, yes.
Would you like to ride a bike?
Yes, yes, yes.
Would you like to take a hike?
Yes, yes. Saying yes is fun.
Awesome! Shall we build a tree house?
Yes, yes, yes.
Shall we feed a hungry mouse?
Yes, yes, yes.
Shall we take a little drive?
Yes, yes, yes.
Have a big high five!
Yes, yes. Saying yes to something new. Saying yes is really cool. Saying yes is just the best. Spell it Y-E-S. Yes. Yes to positivity. Yes to kids like you and me. Yes to everything we see. Yes to being free. Yes. This is awesome. Saying yes makes me feel happy.
Will we skate upon the ice?
Yes, yes, yes.
And remember to be nice.
Yes, yes, yes.
Will we plant a baby tree?
Yes, yes, yes.
Will we drink a cup of tea?
Yes, yes.
Arts and crafts.
Yes, yes, yes.
We could sail on a raft.
Yes, yes, yes.
We could bake a little cake.
Yes, yes, yes.
We could even charm a snake.
Yes, yes. Saying yes to something new. Saying yes is really cool. Saying yes is just the best. Spell it Y-E-S. Yes. Yes to positivity. Yes to kids like you and me. Yes to everything we see. Yes to being free. Yes.
Well, seeing as you guys love saying yes, let's keep trying to squeeze in as many adventures as we can.
Yay!
Would you like to write a poem?
Yes, yes, yes.
Before we head home?
Yes, yes, yes.
Would you like to swing a yo-yo?
Yes, yes, yes.
Take a silly group photo?
Yes, yes. Saying yes to something new. Saying yes is really cool. Saying yes is just the best. Spell it Y-E-S. Yes. Yes to positivity. Yes to kids like you and me. Yes to everything we see. Yes to being free. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe.